can say that this is something that you can really change the way we teach in the classroom. We can really change the way we use different kinds of methods and pedagogies. And I'm doing it slideshow. So, yeah, now it's the full screen. The topic today I'll be discussing about it is use of artificial intelligence tools in teaching. Basically what happens, no, every day we teach some content to the student, and if we want to use some different pedagogies or different ways of teaching learning, sometimes we feel that what new technology shall we adapt, or what new things shall we do. But artificial intelligence gives you a number of free tools available online, which you can incorporate just a practice of few seconds. So it is possible. How I'll show you, and if time permits, I will show some demonstrations also. You can see in this picture that how man's evolution is done, and there will be some day that we will see that look in the cloud, brain of human being is stored. So some time will come, and I do not wonder that this might happen, that we might say that our brain is stored somewhere in the cloud, and we can see actually what it is doing. Artificial intelligence can do anything in life of human being, but it is a great supporting tool, I must say. Technology will never overpower human beings. Technology is assistant to human beings. So how we are using is most important here, because there are many tools available, but how we are using. We all know this concept of smart homes. In smart homes, we have seen that we can manage all the household things which are connected to IoT, Internet of Things, like lighting, security, hot water, cameras, even different changing the temperature of the room. So we have lot of things around us which are connected to the internet, and these IoT devices we are using it right now. But at the same time, when it comes to application of all these tools, we can do many things like strategic game system chess. There are some chess or some games we can use for engaging students' minds, and for small children, they really enjoy it. We have various web search engines, recommendation system like YouTube, Amazon. You might have seen that if you search something online, and once you search or type that word, similar kind of advertisement start coming, or similar kind of messages start coming. So why this happens? Because there are some recommendation by this automated systems. Then understanding human speech like Siri and Alexa. Nowadays we are using it. We say, Alexa, sing this song for me, and Alexa does it for me. So that is possible. Or we can see, hey Siri, tell me the address of this restaurant, and Siri tells me. There are self-driving cars also available. We know that generative and creative tools like ChatGPT and AI art, there are many tools. I'll be showing some examples, some demonstration in today's presentation. And we can have automated decision system also. So there are three types of artificial intelligence. The first is stage one, machine learning. This is called as artificial narrow intelligence, ANI. And in this machine learning, which specializes in one area and solves one problem at a time. Like for example, we tell Alexa that sing particular song, and Alexa does that for us. That is one command at a time and one action at a time. In machine learning, that is stage one. Then stage two is machine intelligence, where it refers to a computer that is as smart as a human across the board. And artificial general intelligence, it can say that it is very smart like human beings. But if we see the third generation, that is stage three, artificial super intelligence, machine consciousness, and intellect that is much smarter than the best human brains in practically every field. So in stage three, what happens? The machine is more smarter than human beings. Machine can think like human beings. Machine can do smarter work than human beings. It is possible. But at the same time, somebody needs to control all this. So human brain is always superior, my dear friends. I'll show you some examples first and then I will go to the for the demo. Gamma.app is one of the artificial intelligence AI tool which is very very useful for making presentation, a new medium for presenting ideas. It is powered by AI. For example, if I am taking this session today and for this making this PowerPoint presentation, I didn't get time earlier. So what I can do is I can just type the title of the program or title of the theme which I am conducting the session, and Gamma.app will give me a beautiful PowerPoint presentation with help of all the logical sequence slides, with all the bullet points, main and sub points, and with all the pictures which are not plagiarized or which do not have copyright issues. So it is possible in only 30 seconds. If I say that if I'm going to take a lecture tomorrow in the classroom and today I don't get time to make my PPT, then what shall I do? AI is there to support us, to all the teachers and all the human beings. So what AI does is AI saves your time and it gives you a very creative ways of doing your work efficiently. So I need to go on just gamma.app and it will give me a PowerPoint presentation just in 30 seconds, and I'll be showing that demo later. Earlier in this in the first part of this presentation, I'll show you some examples of which tools are available, and in the next part I will do the demonstrations of all these apps. So Gamma.app is one of the wonderful presentation tool. Then we have Slides GPT. It is again a AI PowerPoint presentation, and this kind of screen is available like we use Chat GPT. Slide GPT is managed by Chat GPT, and beautiful slides you can create with help of it. And what you need to do is there is a white box which says that I want a slide deck about the future of AI. So like this you can type any title, any subject, any topic, any presentation, and it will give you. Once you click on this create deck, it will create a presentation within few seconds. So that is possible. Then we have next tool, that is eduaid.ai. What eduaid.ai does for us? Again, it is .ai means it is based on or supported by artificial intelligence. It is AI assisted assignment feedback, but it does many more things. For example, you want to make your rubric, you can make it in 30 seconds. You want to make your lesson plan, unit plan, it can make for in 10-20 seconds. If you want to make some question paper, if any questionnaire, any kind of multiple choice questions, any kind of paragraph writing, paraphrasing, then writing article, you just say the things and that is available. So eduaid.ai is again a wonderful supporting tool to all the teachers. We can use it for creating lesson plan, different kinds of teaching resources, and for assessment also. So for teaching, learning and evaluation, even for research purpose, creating some tools, creating rubrics, this AI assisted tool is freely available. We don't have to pay anything for it. So whatever tools I'm showing today, they are
Recording
freely
in
available.
progress.
So eduaid.ai is one of the wonderful tool which can be used in the teaching process. Then one more is there, that is tinywow.com. What tinywow.com does? Tinywow.com, again, there are many features like PDF, image, write, video, file, and in this you can write different kind of paragraphs, you can do paraphrasing, or you can ask TinyWow to write one sentence in different manners. For example, if you give one sentence, I'll show with the help of demonstration in the next half an hour. So this gives you a ready paragraph, and if you want to paraphrase it, paraphrase means rewrite it in other words, it can rewrite for you, or it can give 6 different ways of writing the same sentence. Isn't it wonderful? Sometimes I feel that if I am giving an instruction to the students, so I should not write similar words every time. So there should be variation in instructions. I want to convey something to my students, but there should be variation so that paraphrasing actually help us Even there are some image creators in this tool in TinyWow, where you can create an image which is not available anywhere in the world. So it can create image just for you. So whatever image is created by AI, that is for you only, and you can use it for free. There is one more wonderful tool, that is u.com. u.com is actually a wonderful thing, because whatever you just want to write, it will give you in any language, even in Marathi, like ChatGPT. ChatGPT also gives material or study material or any kind of paragraphs or articles in any language. So here also in u.com, you can use any language and you can use it. You just need to write a kind of article you want, like give research article on AI in education. But here on the screen, you can see there are points like 1, 2. It gives you a reference that from where this sentence is taken. You can just click on one, and if you go on that, it will show you the path, and you can immediately read that article. For review of related literature in the research, u.com is very, very useful, my dear friends. We will see in demonstration in detail. Then we have app.udly.ai. It is actually practice your interview or speech or record speech feedback for improving speech. Means if you want to practice if you are attending any interview, or if you are going to deliver any speech and you want to see that if I am doing any mistakes or what kind of corrections should be there. So what you can do is go on udly.ai. Again, it is AI supported tool, artificial intelligence, and it will correct the way you are talking. It will improve your speech. It will say that what should be your accent, how voice modulation can be there, how loud it should be. So for interview also, it will take your practice, and it can record your video audio, and you can again and again see it, and you can improve it. So for improvement of speech, for improvement of any interview skill, you can use this udly.ai. Then again, one more wonderful tool, that is tastemoz.com. What TasteMoz does? It can build a test. Test means any kind of exam, unit test, or any immediate, if you want to conduct some exam or assessment in the classroom and your question paper is not ready. So tastemoz.com will give you a ready-made question paper. It can be multiple choice question, it can be short answer question, it can be long answer question, it can be yes no type question. So you say the what kind of question you want, and it will give you. The beautiful feature of TasteMoz is it actually gives you a assessment sheet also. Means, for example, if I give a test to my students on TasteMoz, and if I share the link to the students WhatsApp group, student can give their answers in that particular link, and once they submit the answer sheet, TasteMoz will assess the paper, and it will give you a ready-made mark sheet. So there is no need to assessment also. There is no need to correction of paper. A TasteMoz will correct the question answer sheet for us, and it will give us a ready-made result sheet. That is a wonderful feature of tastemoz.com. This is very useful for the small assessments we conduct on daily basis or weekly basis or monthly basis. So for conducting unit tests, for conducting small tests or some assignments, or some if we want some feedback from the students, immediate feedback about the taught content. So it is possible to use tastemoz.com. It is again freely available, and students can give examination from anywhere just with help of a link. Then we have one more AI based tool, that is Notion. Notion is an all-in-one workspace that allows users to create notes, documents, databases, and more. It is widely used in education for collaborative projects, note taking, and task management, basically for smaller children in the school and junior colleges. Notion's versatility makes it suitable for both students and teachers to organize and share information efficiently. So it is one of the wonderful tool where you can create different kinds of notes and documents and databases. You can use it for free. Then one more tool is Wolfram Alpha. What Wolfram Alpha does? Wolfram Alpha is one of the best websites to study from, and it provides answers to literally any possible question. You can search random things on this and it will guaranteed give you a satisfactory answer along with infographics and statistics. So Wolfram Alpha is one of the wonderful wonderful website, and it can give answer for any question. Then we have selfstudies.com. Self Studies is a website which provides crash courses and courses for competitive exams. It has solutions for textbooks by various publications. It also provides lesson notes and revision notes for lessons. So, if a student wants to study in some other university and want to take all the notes or all the study materials online for free, selfstudies.com will give you the answer for that. Because if you are appearing for any kind of JEE NEET exam or SET NET exam or any kind of competitive exam, all the notes or study material is available on selfstudies.com. It is a wonderful tool and freely available for all the students, even for teachers. Then we have Quizlet. Quizlet you might have used, but now new version has come up, which is assisted by artificial intelligence, and it is a study tool that helps students memorize information through flashcards, quizzes, and games. Users can create their own study sets or access a vast library of pre-existing sets. Quizlet's interactive features enhance the learning experience and support effective review. So this is possible with help of Quizlet. Then we have one more wonderful tool, that is Seesaw. Seesaw is a digital portfolio and communication tool for students, teachers, and parents. It allows students to showcase their work through photos, videos, and drawings. Teachers can provide feedback and parents can stay informed about their child's progress. So creating a collaborative and transparent learning environment. So Seesaw is again a wonderful AI-based tool which actually provides a various kinds of study material or resources to the students and teachers. We have again SparkNote. SparkNote mainly provide paraphrases, summaries, quizzes, flashcards, and study guide about a variety of literature work, poetry, history, film, and philosophy. It also includes other subjects such as sciences, sociology, psychology, economics, US policy, etc. So many subjects. So it actually provides paraphrase if you want to change the paragraphs or you want to rewrite it. So various kinds of summaries, quizzes, flashcards, study guides. So wonderful features SparkNote gives us. It is again supported by AI. We have Coursera. Coursera was used since many years, but now Coursera's version had shifted to support of AI. And you see the any university in the world, and that from that university you can study online any particular degree or subject or any course you can do online and you will get the online certification. So this is possible on this platform, that this platform offering online courses, specialization and degrees from universities and organizations worldwide. So you don't have to go to that particular country, take the admission and physically be present. You can learn it sitting at your home and with help of this website. So this provides a wonderful feature of having different kinds of online courses of various universities worldwide. Then we have lit charts. Lit chart actually provides paraphrases, summaries, and line by line detailed explanation. Mainly focuses on Shakespeare. Those who are language teachers or teachers from literature, if they really want to learn Shakespeare or some authors, English authors, you just go on this wonderful paraphrases and summaries and line by line detailed explanation. I have seen the Hamlet and wonderful explanation, line to line detail explanation, wonderful thing. When sometimes we read some novel and we don't understand some part of it, so here is the answer. Just go on lit charts and ask about that novel. You will get the detailed explanation here. Then we have Smart Surveyor Medical Art. Those who are science student, those who are from medical background, any nursing student, physiotherapy student, pharmacy students, they can have use this website. There are 3,000 free medical images. These free medical images, they are very unique, wonderful things, and it provides hundreds of illustration on various topics of biology, human body anatomy, and medical specialties. So free images are available if you want to do some project, if you want to do some assignment, any presentation, or if you want to use make some chart or banners. These free images are available from biology and medical field, and you can use it without any copyright issue. We have one more wonderful tool. I have used it many times because sometimes what happens, no, some UGC guidelines or some university circular, some PDF files, 200, 300 pages PDF files comes, and we don't get time to read all those pages. And if I want to know what exactly is there in that PDF, or if there is any paragraph which I'm searching for. So here is the answer, my dear friends. You can ask Chat PDF, and Chat PDF will actually take you to that page where that information is, and you can actually talk with that PDF. You can chat with that PDF, and PDF will answer you. So that is possible. Like Chat PDF, here is askyourpdf.com. You can ask anything to your PDF, and your PDF will show you that. In the actual demonstration, you will understand it better. Then there are some other tools, but I will actually take you to some of the demonstrations. I am sharing my screen with you again, and let me show you. Yeah. So I am taking you to the website u.com. I'm typing on my screen, and yeah, it's coming. I hope this u.com website is visible to all of you. And what you need to go on this is just you need a Gmail ID. I hope this u.com is visible to all of you. And with your Gmail ID, you can log in into it. It's freely available. And there are options like research, creative, smart, GPT-4, research, genius, creative, more. And here is option of ask anything. If I ask that article on AI in education. Okay. So I'm just typing this. This is my favorite topic. Article on AI in education. So let us see what it gives to me. You can see on the screen, it started generating. And what it is giving to me is, it is writing an article for me, but there is a wonderful feature in it. I'll show you once it's done. You can see on the screen till conclusion, it has done, what it has done is, Introduction of AI in Education. I had just given the title and it took only 10 seconds to create article. Introduction to AI in Education. Then it has given me benefits of AI in education like personalized learning, intelligent tutoring system, automating, but it is different than ChatGPT. Those who have already used ChatGPT, it is different. I'll show you how. Then it has given me challenges of implementing AI in education, future prospects of AI in education, and conclusion. So this is an article given to me by u.com, but there are some numbers in this. If I go on creative, you can see here creative or research. If I go on research, it was a general article made for me. If I go on research, if I want to create a new chat, and I'm typing here article on AI in education. I have selected the research part. See, it again started generating. It is thinking. U.com is saying that I'm thinking. It's researching. Wonderful thing. And whatever information is available on the globe and on all the websites, it will select all those resources, it will read all those things, and it's creating. Once it's created, it is saying thinking and researching. So u.com is thinking for me and it is researching again. And it here you can see on right hand side 140 sources read. It is showing me the number that this number will get increased, how many sources it is reading. So this AI tool, it takes only 10 seconds to read 140 articles. Isn't it wonderful? Okay. See, it's generating for me. It's responding. It's taking little time because it is reading all the, it is showing me. You can wait for it before responsive or exit page. I'll wait for it. Meanwhile, I'll show you the demo of other this thing. For example, I'll take you to the eduaid.ai. You just need to go on. So once the article on yo.com is generated, we will go to that page again. So before that, I'll show you eduaid.ai. This eduaid.ai, this kind of content generators are there. You can plan like lesson seed, prior knowledge, unit plan, learning plan is available, and even assessment measures, learning objectives, engagement activities, lesson plan, analytic rubric. रुब्रिक बनाना है, देखते हैं this rubric, analytic rubric. Okay. And what I need to do is I can select any subject. Here are subject list of subject. You can select science, social studies, mathematics, language, art, enrichment, career, technical training, any subject or any class. There is a class available, upper class or college students, or which grade you want. I'm selecting 11th and 12th and this rubric part. So once I go on this analytic rubric, it will ask me that on which topic you want to generate your rubric. So I need to give a topic to it. Okay. Generator. Here is a generator. There are some other features like assistant is there, then feedback bot is there, chat is there, assistant builder is there, then history is there. So analytic rubric, and I'm just taking to the generate part. Yeah, just give me a second. Just a second. There is some technical glitch. Just give me a second. हो 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 हाँ बर बर हो हो बर बर मग तिथे किती वाजता येऊ सर आपल्याला बर बर चालेल बर बर हो हो चालेल सर चालेल हो हो चालेल सर येस सर चालेल सर चालेल येतो आपण हो 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 कळवते हो मी हा कळवते हो त्यांना ती नाही कळवते हो कळवते So sorry, there was some technical difficulty. Yeah, there is analytic rubric point here. Then we have information objects also, like sentence stream. We can create some demonstration, compass, data set, independent practice, some worksheets for students if we want to have some essays or research project. So this facility is available there. Then we can have cooperative learning also, like some debate, jigsaw activity, model, learning station, think, pair, share, STEM project, project-based learning. So this is also available. Some gamification is there. Then we have in gamification, you can see so many games are available. So you can create it. So I'll show you some part of it. Now let me, yeah, cooperative jigsaw activity, add to workplace. Yes. So if I ask AI tool to generate, it will generate in few seconds. So once it's generating, let me take you to the u.com if it has generated the article. You can see over here, it has done and it has generated this article. So the wonderful feature here is, as I told you earlier, that how it is different from ChatGPT. If we ask ChatGPT the similar question, if I ask ChatGPT, give me article on AI in education. So what ChatGPT does it? ChatGPT write one article for me and it gives to me. But here on u.com, it has given me some numbers. You can see over here. 1, 2. If I click on this number, if I go on 1, so you can see educause.edu 10 ways artificial intelligence. If I click on this, it will take me to that article. You can see on the screen. It will take me to that article from where the sentence is taken, and it gives us wonderful review of related literature. For those students or teachers who are doing research or who are doing PhD, MPhil, it is the best way to use this. So this has taken me to this article, and this article I can read, or if I go on the next part, here you can see that 3, 4, 5, this 5 number. So the role of AI in modern education. So this sentence is taken from that research article. What it does basically is, on the particular topic you are searching for, it reads all the best to best article which are cited. Most of the citations are there, or H index or I index is higher, and it collect all those articles together, and from all those articles it create a wonderful article for you, and you can take the references, and with due respect to the original author, with those references, you can read it, you can recollect it, you can paraphrase it, and you can rewrite, because you get a collective information only in one article. So that is a wonderful tool, and whatever is given that in that article, this is written over here in this paragraph. So why this is useful? Because sometimes if I want to write something, some paragraph or some article on a particular topic, what I do is I go on Google and I type the topic, and there are hundreds and thousands of articles and websites I can see. I don't know which one is authentic or which information is correct. So to save that time, and for every article I need to open it, I need to read it. If it is useful, I will use something from it and I will give due reference. But if it is not useful, again I have to go to other site. So it saves lot of time, that in a single article u.com gives you different references, and you can immediately go on that reference. You do not need to search on Google, just go on that reference. So this is, here is the point number 10. If I click on this point number 10, it will take me to the site here. So this article is available over here. You can see this is there. So I can immediately read it, and if it is useful, I can use it. So this is important. So what now what I will do is I'll save it as a PDF, because I'll show you the demo of how to use chat PDF and askyourpdf.com. It is loading. I'm saving it as a PDF, this article of 10 ways of artificial intelligence in transforming instructional design. I'm saving it on the desktop. Okay. So this PDF is saved. Now what we will do is, let me take you to the next site. As EduEd is still generating, I think there is some technical glitch or my internet might be slow. So what can do is chat PDF. Once we go on chat PDF, here ask anything to PDF and PDF will answer you. Isn't it wonderful? Your PDF is going to answer you. Now you can see chat your PDF. It is showing upload PDF. What you need to do is just upload your PDF here. We will upload the PDF. We have just 10 ways of artificial intelligence. And when it's uploading now, once it is uploaded, what it will show you, that Ask any question and chat PDF will answer you. See, it is already uploaded and it will prompt you that what kind of a question you can ask. The PDF is uploaded on chat PDF and here it has given me hello and welcome. We are excited to share insight from the PDF. It has given the gist of PDF or summary. Here are 3 examples of question you can ask about the file. The first is, what are some specific tools mentioned in the PDF that utilize AI for instructional design? 1, 2, 3 questions is given by this PDF. That means it is prompting me that you can ask this kind of question, but I can ask similar question, and if there is some other question, I just want to say that use of instructional design. Use of instructional design. So once I ask this question to chat PDF, it will show me that on which page, because this is a 120 pages article, sorry, 20 pages article, and it will show me on page number 3 this para is there, on page number 16 it is there, and on page number 2 this para is there, 2 1. So with a number of page it will show me that these paragraphs are available on this particular page. So I don't need to read the whole 20 pages, just I need to upload the PDF. After uploading, it will prompt me that you can ask any question, and once I ask the question, it will answer me that this answer is there on this page number. If I upload a 200 300 pages PDF, it is also possible, because sometimes we don't get much time to read the whole PDF, but we want to know that if this particular thing is there in that PDF or not. So we can just ask the question and we can do the needful. If I go on, okay, let me take you to the ask your PDF. Askyourpdf.com. Ask Your PDF also works like chat PDF. Yes, so here you can see this kind of page comes, and I have uploaded this artificial intelligence tool, this thing. I can ask any question. Even app is available, this kind of application. You can go on this application, download with QR code, and you can use it. So it is a try for free also. And if you want to take a very high, we can say, facilities from it, we can use it. We can continue with Google and ask your PDF is ready. You just need your Gmail ID to use all these artificial intelligence tools. To use this any tool, you need your Gmail ID. That's it. Nothing else. It's opening. It is saying that we have a new look. Do you want to continue? Yes. Upload. So I am uploading this PDF which I have downloaded just now, and when it is getting uploaded, once it is uploaded, it will ask me, you can ask any question. Even data I can upload, some files and folders also I can upload. It has a wonderful feature. So Ask Your PDF actually talks to you and upload successfully. It is showing me start conversation. Okay. Start conversation. So this PDF is talking to me. Let us see how it is. Yeah. It will allow me to ask a question, and if I once I ask question, it will answer my query. So here it is showing me ask a question or use a @ to mention a document. It's wonderful tool again. So use of instructional design. I just want to see where is the use written on this document. That's it. So I have typed my question here, that what particular thing I want from this PDF, and it will answer. Started generating. So, my dear friends, my intention to show this particular tool is it saves a lot of time. Instead of reading 200, 300 pages, you can upload that document on chat PDF or ask your PDF, and you can ask the question and it will answer. See, it has answered me on page number 365. This para is there. On page 14, this is there. So, there is no need to read the whole PDF. It is possible. Now, let me take you to the next tool, that is tinywow.com. Wonderful tool. Tinywow.com. So the website of Tinywow will look like this. And here is option of write. I like this paragraph writer, sentence rewriter, essay writer, article writer. I'll show you one demo of a sentence rewriter, how it rewrites the sentence for me. As I told you the example, that if I am giving some instruction to the student and if I don't want a similar instruction again and again, so here I will write my sentence, and on the right hand side box, AI will give me its output, that how I can rewrite that same sentence in different 6 ways. So I'll write, students please submit assignment on time. So this is my sentence. I want to give instruction to my student, and if I click on generate, it will ask me that it is tried of captcha, means it is checking if I am machine or I am human being. And when it's get clear that I am not machine, AI output will be there. If you see many website, captcha is there because to identify if a real human being is using this. You can see the AI output here is on right hand side. On the left hand side, I had given my sentence that I want to give this instruction to student. That is, students please submit assignment on time. And what AI is given on right hand side, the first is, dear students, you punctually, yeah, your punctuality in submitting assignments is greatly appreciated. Second sentence AI has given me, students are kindly asked to hand in their assignments by the deadline. Third is, timely assignment submission is expected from all students. Fourth is, please ensure that assignments are turned in promptly, students. And fifth is, 5 sentence it has given, sorry. The deadline for submitting assignment must be strictly followed by students. So this is AI generated sentences. What I had done is, I had given one sentence and it has rewritten in different ways. Similarly, you can ask it to write some paragraph or essay. For example, let us go to the essay writer. Let us see what kind of essay it writes for me. If I type here, importance of AI in education. So I want to essay on importance of AI in education. Some advertisement keeps coming in between. And it is asking me how many paragraphs you want, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I say 5 paragraphs, so it will give me in that number. Which educational level, high school, college or graduate school, college. So for which I am writing essay, which student, college students, and 5 paragraphs I want. So once I click on generate, it will again verify the captcha, and when it's verified, it will write a essay, beautiful essay for me. It started generating. On the right hand side in this box, the essay will be written. So the essay will be written with the help of, you can see it's generated already. On the right hand side in the box, you can see here is a outcome. Okay. So here is a AI output. Use the generated content as you please. So here is the essay topic. So this essay is ready. And there are many other options like article writer or paragraph writer. If I want some article, I can use TinyWow. And there are some other features as well, like FB headline generator, FAQ generator. Sometimes we need to write some frequently asked questions for our school or college website. Then paragraph completer, business builder, blog outline generator, some post. Even in Instagram caption generator is there if you want some captions for your Instagram, or grammar fixer is there. So even videos compress and all those things, conversion you can do. Images you can create. Once I go on image, there are options like blur background, colorize photo, combine. So there are so many features available. For PDF also, there are some features available. So this was all about TinyWow. Now let me show one more demo on, yes. In the first slide, I showed you this app, Gamma.app. Many of you might have, those who have attended my earlier sessions, this Gamma.app is one of my favorite tool because this gives a PowerPoint presentation within 30 seconds. Sometimes what happens, while taking sessions only, I create presentations and I share it immediately. So that happened many times, and Gamma.app really supported me. So this is a Gamma.app setup. It is taking few seconds to uh, get started. Yeah. Here. Now you can see there are three options: paste in text. If you have any text already generated, any outline notes, you can use that. Or you can generate a new PowerPoint presentation, or you can import a file or URL. So I'll click on generate because I have not prepared anything. I don't have any content. So I want to new this thing. So I have clicked on generate. Again, there are three options. You want presentation or web page or document. You can create your web page also. You can create your document also. So what I need is, I just need to type a title, then which title I want a PowerPoint presentation. Again, my favorite topic, AI in education. जब मैं आईसीटी पढ़ाती थी तो आईसीटी इन एजुकेशन लिखती थी, अभी एआई पढ़ाती हूँ. So AI in education. So once I click on generate outline, it will, oh, it's showing something went wrong. Sometimes due to some technical glitch, might be my internet is slow, it is showing that try after some time. So once you click on the topic, in 30 seconds it create PowerPoint presentation. It started generating. I'll click on continue, and it creates a beautiful PowerPoint presentation within few seconds. It will ask me that which color theme you want, which color in the background for the, I'm selecting this one, and after selecting I'll say generate. So it will start generating a PowerPoint presentation for my mistake, and it will create a wonderful presentation. In last 5 minutes, I will take few questions if you have any. Okay. So you can see on the screen that the title only was given by me, that is AI in education, and it started generating PowerPoint presentation for me. Here, Gamma has finished generating. It is already given by Sandhya Khedekar, last edited less than a minute ago. In just 1 minute, it has created beautiful PPTs. And at a time, it creates 8 slides. If you want more, you can give a subtitles and you can add to that. So, and if you want to download this PPT, go on share button. You can immediately present. If you are in live session, you can present. Go on share button. Here is a option of export. You can export to PDF, export to PowerPoint, export to PNG. So once you click on export to PowerPoint, it will save as a PowerPoint on your computer and you can use it later for any presentation. And if you are in a live session, you can start presenting from here. So theme is, you can edit the theme, you can share the presentation, you can present the presentation immediately, and Gamma gives you a beautiful presentation within a few 10-20 seconds. So that is possible. Like Gamma.app, Slide GPT also works, but I have heard that Slide GPT asks for some dollars to subscribe. I don't know. Let us see. AI PPT, AI Slide Maker is also there. Those who want to make more and more presentation in a day, I think AI PPT gives you 30 presentations in a day. But Gamma Dot gives only 8 presentations in a day. After 24 hours, again the ticket gets generated. So this is there, AIPPT.com. So if I type a topic, again my favorite topic, AI in education, AI.ppt. And once I click on generate, it will ask me which kind of template I want. Randomly, I'm selecting this and generate PPT. It has given me a bullet points. It is giving me the content, that what can be there on your PPT. And what's the content is generated, I have to click on generate PPT and it will generate a PPT for me. The name of the website is AIPPT.com, artificial intelligence PPT.com. And once I click on generate PPT, it will generate for me. AI PPT gives 30 presentations in a day, 30 PPTs. See, it already started generating. I wonder, I was taking weeks and weeks to create these kind of PPTs earlier. When we used to just began with the PowerPoint presentation and it was very new, it took me 2 to 3 days to write the content, then arranging the bullet point, then giving the background color, then giving the animation, making it. It might take 3-4 days or sometimes a week. But now, with artificial intelligence tools, it is possible within few seconds. In 10-20 seconds, the PPT is ready with all the bullet points, with all the color combination, any theme, any subject, any topic, any standard. Wonderful thing. See how it is generating the PPT fast. Already it's 55% is done. It's showing so many slides it is giving to me. Wow. Gamma.app gives only 8 slides at a time. There you need to give the subtopics again and you have to club that. But AI.ppt.com gives you many slides at a time with wonderful features. So this is possible, my dear friends. It will take few seconds again. After this demonstration, I'll conclude the session. If you have any questions, you can ask me. I'll complete my session at 2:30 sharp. Yeah, it's just again generating. 92% is done. Once it's 100% is done, you can see. Wow, wonderful this thing, huh? Very nice. How fast it is thinking and how fast it is making all the things. So once it's done, you can see 92% is done. Content is being, it is saving the PPT works. If you close some of the windows, so it will save the data. And now the PPT is ready. You can see on the right hand side, it has created total 26 slides. You can download it or you can continue it and you can use it for teaching learning purpose. So my dear friends, the intention of showing all these demos is this is very user friendly. Sometimes we just go on that website and that website itself tells us that how to use that. So it's very easy and it is very we can say time saving a lot of energy, and teachers can be more creative and innovative by using all these technologies tools. So I'll stop my sharing here. If you have any questions, you can ask.